In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to a video in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a quick way to make your presentations clearer and more engaging by adding titles, captions, or helpful notes right on top of your video. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can launch it from your applications list or by searching for it on your device. Once it's open, load the presentation you're working on or open the specific file where you want the text to appear over a video. Navigate to the slide that contains the video you want to edit. It's important to be on the correct slide because everything we do will apply to this slide only. With that slide selected, go to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. This is where you'll find tools for adding all kinds of content, including text, shapes, images, and media. In the Insert tab, choose Text Box. This tool lets you add text anywhere on your slide and gives you control over how it looks. Once Text Box is active, click on the slide and drag to draw a box. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can resize and move it later. Type the text you want to display. This might be a title, a caption, or a short explanation that supports what's happening in the video. Aim for clarity and brevity so the message is easy to read at a glance. After you've entered your text, customize it to fit your presentation style. You can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment so it stands out without being distracting. For better readability, choose high contrast between the text and the video background. Light text on dark areas or dark text on light areas works best. If parts of the video are busy, consider a subtle solid or semi-transparent fill for the text box to keep the text legible. Now, position the text box by clicking and dragging it to the ideal spot. Place it where it complements the video without covering important visuals. Keep a consistent margin from the slide edges, align it with other elements on the slide, and make sure it doesn't overlap key on-screen action. You can play the video right on the slide to check that the text remains clear throughout. And that's it. You've added text to a video in Microsoft PowerPoint. This simple technique is perfect for highlighting key points, guiding viewers through steps, or adding quick context to what's on screen. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss future tutorials.